In the pursuit of life's most profound mysteries, humanity has always yearned for the elixir of immortality, an elusive potion that promises eternal life. Throughout history, alchemists, philosophers, and adventurers have embarked on quests to uncover the secret to everlasting existence. In this thought-provoking essay, we embark on a captivating journey through the annals of time to explore the myth, science, and ethics surrounding the notion of an immortality potion. Is it a fantastical dream or a plausible reality? Join us as we delve into ancient legends, modern scientific advancements, and the ethical dilemmas that arise in the quest for eternal life. Section 1. The mythical pursuit of immortality. We begin with a voyage through ancient myths and legends, where gods and mortals alike sought the coveted gift of eternal life. From the Sumerian epic of Gilgamesh to the Chinese tale of the Peaches of Immortality, we encounter the recurring motif of everlasting existence in diverse cultures. Section 2. Alchemy and the Philosopher's Stone. Delve into the alchemical endeavors of medieval times, where the pursuit of immortality was entwined with the quest for the Philosopher's Stone. We explore the mystical experiments of alchemists who sought to transmute base metals into gold and discover the fabled elixir of life. Section 3. The quest for physical immortality. Venture into the world of modern science and its quest to unlock the secrets of longevity. From anti-aging research to regenerative medicine, we examine the cutting-edge advancements that hold promise in extending human life. Section 4. The ethical implications of immortality. Explore the philosophical and ethical quandaries that arise when considering the possibility of an immortality potion. We delve into questions surrounding overpopulation, resource depletion, and the impact on the human experience in an eternal world. Section 5. The immortality illusion. Confront the notion that immortality may come in different forms, such as the enduring legacy of one's contributions to society or the concept of digital immortality through advancements in artificial intelligence. Section 6. Mind uploading and transhumanism. Examine the concept of mind uploading and the transhumanist vision of achieving immortality through the transfer of consciousness into digital or synthetic forms. Section 7. Cults of immortality and their impact. Discuss the rise of cults and fringe groups that promise immortality through secretive rituals, mysterious substances, or pseudoscientific beliefs. We analyze the psychological and social implications of such movements. Section 8. Accepting mortality and embracing legacy. Explore the beauty of impermanence and the significance of embracing the finite nature of life. We highlight the value of leaving a meaningful legacy and the potential for finding peace in the transient journey of existence. As we conclude our profound exploration of the quest for an immortality potion, we find that the pursuit of eternal life has been a constant theme in human history. From ancient mythologies to cutting-edge scientific advancements, the longing for immortality remains an enduring aspiration of humanity. While science may hold promise in extending human life, the elusive potion of immortality remains an enigmatic dream entwined with ethical dilemmas and philosophical questions. Perhaps in accepting the beauty of impermanence, we can find solace in the fleeting nature of life and focus on leaving a lasting legacy that enriches the world for generations to come. Join us on this captivating journey as we unravel the myths, science, and moral considerations surrounding the quest for an immortality potion. Through embracing the mysteries of life and the inevitability of mortality, we may discover that the true essence of immortality lies in the profound impact we make on the world during our brief but meaningful existence.